Hey everybody, it is Travis Holzem with Food Force Abundance, Minnesota, coming to you from Bloomington, Minnesota. Today we are starting a new job. Today we're going to be removing 5 trees or 6 trees from the yard, and we're going to chop them up into nice little pieces, and we're going to use them in all of the raised beds that we're putting in. And hugelkultur, if you're familiar with that. We're going to use all the logs and all the branches, and we have plenty of leaves in the yard, and they're spruce trees that we're cutting down, so they're going to be really nice nutrition for the soil when it starts to break down in those beds. But I'm going to turn you around and show you what we're going to be doing here. We're going to do some front yard next to the driveway, and then the backyard, and I'll show you when we get there. But this area here is all going to be a bee lawn, a couple apple tree gilts, and an asparagus bed. Here's all the mulch that we're going to be spreading tomorrow. It's going to be a bee lawn or wildflower lawn under here because there's a lot of shade, so it doesn't get a lot of sun. And probably in the spring plant some hostas underneath that tree because they grow well in the shade, and they're also edible, as well as hibiscus. They're also edible. The whole plant is edible. Heading to the backyard. Here's all the trees we are putting in the ground and all the plants. Here's our cardboard for sheet mulching. But these trees back here are the ones that are coming out. These 5 here. And then yeah, we're going to be sheet mulching this, putting like 4 inches of soil, and then another 3-4 inches of mulch over the top of that. And it's going to have on this side like 3 or 4 blueberries, on that side 3 or 4 raspberries, and then we got service berries, we have honey berries, we got peach, we got pear, we got apple, and we got cherry trees going in, as well as a bunch of insect attractors, butterfly attractors, pollinators that are going to be going in here also, as well as strawberries. We got a good combination that's in this area, and then the next spring we're going to redo all this into an annual raised garden bed area. All right, here is what we got. And there's Alex over there. But here we're going to take these trees down here in the next couple minutes, and we're starting there. And that's that. I will update you as soon as we get all this stuff done, and we'll show you what it's going to look like before we get the design installed. Have a good one. Grow food, not law.